Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are you doing well. Okay? Yes? Yeah. Okay, students. So today we will continue our study, and that is animal world. Okay? So yesterday we have seen about the animals in a animal kingdom, and then we saw their young one, and then we saw the life cycle of butterfly. Okay, student, so today we are going to study about the animal home. Okay, so students, I have divided them into the three category. Okay, animals live in a different kinds of homes. It protects them from heat, cold, wind, rain, and other animals. Wild animals lives in the forest. Some wild animals do not make home for themselves. They live in the caves or under the shade of tree. Okay, students, here we can see that all the animals, they need a shelter. As we need, the same way they also need a shelter. Okay, students, so here is the shelter, and I have divided in three groups, that is natural shelter. Okay, natural shelter means that is forest, den, okay, trees, water. These are the natural shelter. Okay, now look at here some pictures. Animals, okay, who use the natural shelter, like tiger lives in a den, monkey lives in a tree, okay, rabbit lives underground, okay, and then the elephant lives under the shade of trees. Okay, so they use the natural shelter. Okay, students, and now the next one is, let's see here, we can see some two more animals that make themselves home. They use a natural shelter like a water. Okay, so we can see here crocodile lives both water and land, and some animals live in water, fish, octopus, and then the whale, etc. Okay, students, so they also use the natural shelter like a that is water. Okay, students, so the animals who use the naturals, I have put them into the natural shelter. Okay, so now students, we can see the different, another one is that is build their homes. Okay, so we can see some animals like a bird, okay, and a rabbit, and we can see rabbit here that they live under the ground, they make a hole. Okay, and that is called burrows. Okay, students, so they make themselves like if we see the birds, they make a nest, isn't it? And also we can see the spider lives in a web, they make themselves. Okay, spider, they make their home themselves. Okay, and also we can see bees lives in beehives. Okay, so here we can see them, they make themselves. Okay, students, and they are the animal who build their home. Okay, and students, there are some more animals which they what is called, they use a human made shelter, like we have like a dog, we have a cat, okay, then we have some fish. Okay, for them, like a cow, the horse, we make a house for them. Okay, so like we make a home for the dog, that is kennel. Okay, then we make a house for the fish, that is aquarium. Okay, then we make a cow shed where the cow we kept. Okay, so students, like that, some animals they stay in the human made shelter. Okay, students, these are the three categories that I have put. Okay, so students, now we can now we'll go for the next point, and that is animals, parts of animal. Okay, students, so I hope that the first one you have understood, that animals homes. Okay, so animals homes are divided into, I have divided into three categories. Natural, some animals use the natural shelter for their home, and some animals they build their home, and some animals they use the human made shelter. Okay, students, now let's go to the parts of body parts of pet animal. As we have a body part, the same way we have a body part in a body part of animals too. Okay, now let's see the parts of a dog. Okay, body parts of a dog. Here we can see mouth, nose, eyes, head, ear, tail, leg, and foot. Okay, students, so these are the part of our part of dog body part. Okay, students, so this one you have to keep it in mind. Okay, now students, there is now we'll see the body part of parrot. Okay, the body part of that parrot is beak, eye, head, and wings. Wings is not mentioned in your book. Okay, students, which is the very important part of the bird. Okay, so I have added the wings, then the feathers, then the tail, then the body. Okay, body is also not involved in your book, but we have to know that one. Okay, and then the legs, and then the claw. Okay, so these are the body part of parrot. Okay, students, now we can see the body part in a fish too. Okay, so fish too have also the mouth, eyes, head, and fin, and then the tail and the scales. Okay, so students, only one thing that fish do not have, that is nose. Okay, they do not have nose. They breathe through the help of gills. Okay, students, so here we can see the body part of animals. Okay, so students, this one you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, so all the body parts, it may come in your question, that you have to do it. You have to write their names of body parts of animals. Okay, students, so animals lives in our home are called pet animal. Dog, cat, parrot, fish, and rabbits are pet animals, and animals have many parts. Okay, so this one are the animals part. Okay, so students, many animals lives in forest. People cut forest to make paper. Do not waste save paper. Okay, student, so here we can see that the forest is the house for the many animals. Okay, and the paper that we get, the books that we get, that books is made with a paper, and the paper we get from the plants. Okay, so we have to protect our forest. We should not destroy the house of the animals. Okay, so that is the shelter for the many kinds of animals, isn't it? So we have to protect them. So to protect them, students, we have to keep it in mind, we should not waste our paper. Okay, we should not tear our paper, because if we tear more and more paper, then we have to cut more tree to make a paper. If we cut more tree, then the many animals will lose their home. Okay, student, so that one we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, so students, these are the body parts of pet animals. Okay, so now students, here are the some homework, and that is homework is match the creature with their homes. Here the some homes are here, so you have to match them. Okay, and then you have to write the true or false. Okay, you have to write T or T for true and the F for false. Okay, students, and here you can see that elephant is a small animal, snake have a scale all over their body, and then the lion are domestic animal, crocodile can live both under the water and on land, and the birds lives in nest. Okay, so this one you have to do it in your copy, and then you have to send it to me. Okay, students, and this match one, if it is not possible to make a picture, then what you can do, just you can write the name, and this side you can write their home. Okay, and then you can match it. Okay, student, so here this one is the I just let me to explain. This one is the sofa. Okay, so it is for the cat. Okay, so most of the pet animals, they live with us in our home, so they whatever the things we use, they also use the same. Okay, students, so this is the your homework. Okay, so you have to do it, and you have to send it into my personal number. Okay, students, okay, thank you. I hope you enjoy this class. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.